Exercise 1.1, question 6. The first 5 sums of this exercise 1.1 I've done in the previous video. Please go through that video. Here we are going to start with sum number 6. Let A is equal to x belongs to W. W is the set of whole numbers. Okay. X belongs to W such that x is less than 2. B is equal to x belongs to N such that 1 is less than x is less than 4. And C is equal to 3, 5. Verify that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. So here let us write down these sets in the roster form first. So here A is equal to x belongs to W such that x is less than 2. W starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, infinity. So here less than 2 means there are only two numbers, 0 and 1. So this is the set A. B is natural number between 1 and 4. So two numbers are there, 2 and 3. This is the set B. C, they have given 3 and 5. Okay, now let's take the LHS. We have to find out what is LHS. B union C. First let's write down what is B union C. B is 2, 3. C is 3, 5. Union means the set of all the elements of both B and C. We should not repeat any element. So write down 2, 3. Do not write 3 again. Write down 5. So the B union C is 2, 3, 5. A is 0, 1. Okay, now we are going to do the LHS. A is the cross product of A and B union C. So write down the set A, write down B union C, put the cross product sign here. Okay, so here let's write down, put the curly bracket. First ordered pair will be 0, 2. Write it down, 0, 2. The second ordered pair will be 0, 3. Third will be 0, 5. Okay, now 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 5. That's it. Close the bracket. So this is LHS. Now let's go to the RHS. First let's find out A cross B and A cross C. Then we will do the union. Okay, A cross B. So A is 0, 1. B is 2, 3. Do the cross product of this. So you will get, so write down like this, put the curly bracket, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. This is A cross B, A cross B. Let's write down A cross C, A cross C. So this is the set 0, 1 and 3, 5. So let's write down the ordered pairs 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, 5, 1, 3 and 1, 5. So here it is. This is A cross C. Now we have to do the union of these two sets. So these are the two sets. We have to write down all the ordered pairs without repeating any ordered pair. So here you can write down all the ordered pairs like this. Do not repeat any ordered pair. Now if you look at this set and look at the LHS, this is the RHS and this is the LHS. Both are same. Hence it is verified. Okay, second sum. Here we have to show A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So here are the sets A, B and C. So let's write down B intersection C. B intersection C. That means the common elements of B and C. So here it is. Only 3 is common. Okay. So this union, intersection, all this you studied in 9th standard, is it not, in set theory? By chance, if you have forgotten it, please revise it. I have put videos on 9th standard set theory. It is in the playlist. Go and listen the video once. You will remember everything. Okay. So now let's go find out A cross B of RHS. So here it is. A cross B. Write it down. A is 0, 1 and B is 2, 3. So write it here. Now do the cross product. Okay, the first ordered pair will be 0, 2, 0, 3, then 1, 2, 1, 3. Write it down. A cross C is 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. Write it down. Okay, now let's do the LHS. So A cross B intersection C. We found out B intersection C as 3. A is 0, 1, write it down. Do the cross product of this, it is 0, 3, 1, 3. Okay, only 2 elements, 2 ordered pairs here. RHS, okay, so this is A cross B, we found it. A cross C, we found it. Do the intersection. Write down only the common elements of this. So here you can see 0, 3 is here, 0, 3 is here. So write it down. 1, 3 is here, 1, 3 is here. Write it down. Rest you should leave it. Only common elements you should write, common ordered pairs. Hence you can see LHS is equal to RHS verified. Third sum, so this is, we have to write down the LHS first here. So let us find out A union B. So this is A, this is B, sorry, this is B. So A union B, write down all the elements of A and B, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is A union B. A cross C will be 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. Okay, so write down A cross C. Similarly, B cross C. So write down B and C. Now do the cross product. 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5. Write it down. Okay, this is B cross C. Now let's take the LHS. Let us do A union B cross C. We found out A union B. It is this. Write it down. C is 3, 5. Write it down. Now do the cross product. Put the curly brackets. Start writing the ordered pairs. 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5. So here it is. Okay, this is the LHS. Now let's do the RHS. So here it is A cross C union, A cross C union B cross C. So union of these two sets. Write down the first set. This is A cross C, this is B cross C. Now write down all the elements, all the ordered pairs of both, but do not repeat the common ordered pair. So you write down, you get like this. Compare this and this, you will find that LHS is equal to the RHS, verified. Okay, seventh sum. Let A is the set of all natural numbers less than 8. B is the set of all prime numbers less than 8. C is the set of even prime numbers. Verify. These two we have to verify. So here they have given the descriptive form of a set A. We have to write down in the roster form. So here it is. Natural numbers less than 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, do not include 8. Prime numbers less than 8 is 2, 3, 5, 7. Even prime number, only one prime number is even, that is 2. So once you have written it in roster form, now you can easily do these sums. Okay, let us find out all these brackets so that it will become easy for us. Let us do A cross B, A cross C, B cross C. All this you can find out. Okay, you know how to do the cross product now. And A intersection B, that also you can write down. Here we need another thing. B difference C, the difference of product. You learnt it in 9th standard. Again, please revise it. Revise set theory. Before then only it will be easy. This chapter will be easy for you. Okay. B difference C is what? All the elements in B, but it should not be in C. Okay. Only exclusively it should be in B. So what is this? We should not consider 2 because it is in C. Only the elements 3, 5 and 7. That is B difference C. Okay. Now easy. Let's do the first sum. So write down the sum. We have to verify that A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. So take the LHS. This is A intersection B. We found it. C is the set 2. Now do the cross product. Here it is 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. That's it. A cross C intersection B cross C. So write down A cross C. This is it. Intersection. This is B cross C. Now only the common elements in intersection. So you can see 2, 2 is common here. It is here as well as here. 3, 2 is in this set as well as in this set. 5, 2 and 7, 2. So this is the RHS. You can see LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Okay, the next sum is A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Again, you can write down this is A cross B minus C. We found out 3, 5, 7. Now write the cross product of these two. So very simple. Don't feel that it is very complicated. Start with this element 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, then 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, so forth. You can write down the LHS. Similarly here, we already found out A cross B minus. So this is A cross B. Okay, minus A cross C. This is A cross C. Okay, now here we should remove all these elements, all these ordered pairs from this. Okay, and write down whatever is left over, whatever ordered pairs are left over. Now you can, if you compare, both are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. Here we come to the end of the exercise 1.1.